Hey everyone! In today's episode, Henry will take you on a journey through his exciting first day as a taxi driver. It's a wonderful chance to discover the keys to enhancing your English skills and boosting your confidence in everyday situations. Listen carefully.
It was a bright and early Monday morning. I was both nervous and excited as I put on my uniform and headed to the taxi station. My boss handed me the keys to a shiny yellow cab and wished me luck. I took a deep breath, got into the driver's seat, and adjusted the mirrors. This was it, my first day as a taxi driver. My first passenger was a young woman heading to the airport. She was friendly and chatty. She even gave me some tips about the city's best routes. As we approached the airport, I felt a sense of accomplishment. I had successfully completed my first ride. The day went on, and I picked up various passengers, a student rushing to her exam, a businesswoman preparing for a big presentation, and even a tourist couple eager to explore the city. Each ride was a new story. Around noon, I received a call to pick up a passenger from a downtown office building. He seemed stressed, constantly checking his watch and muttering under his breath, clearly in a hurry. He urgently requested a quick trip to the airport. Despite traffic, I maneuvered skillfully. I drove like a pro, swiftly navigating the streets, hitting every green light and dodging traffic jams. It felt like a scene from a movie, my heart racing. We arrived at the airport just in time. The passenger hastily paid and dashed towards the terminal, disappearing into the crowd. Returning to the taxi company, city lights twinkling. I found my wife and son waiting with dinner. My son ran up, hugging me tightly as I walked through the door.
Let's get excited about learning some new words and expressions from our story. A maneuvered. Storyline. Despite traffic, I maneuvered skillfully, meaning moved skillfully or carefully. Example: she maneuvered through the crowded room to reach the exit. Swiftly. Storyline. I drove like a pro, swiftly navigating the streets, meaning happening quickly or promptly. Example: the nurse responded swiftly to the patient's call. Navigating. Storyline. I drove like a pro, swiftly navigating the streets, meaning planning and directing the course of travel. Example: he had trouble navigating through the dense fog. Dodging. Storyline. I drove like a pro, dodging traffic jams, meaning avoiding something by a sudden or quick movement. Example: he expertly dodged his opponent's tackle to score the winning goal. Sense of accomplishment. Storyline. As we approached the airport, I felt a sense of accomplishment, meaning a feeling of pride and satisfaction that comes from achieving something. Example: completing the project on time gave the team a strong sense of accomplishment. Dashed. Storyline. The passenger hastily paid and dashed towards the terminal, meaning to run quickly or hastily. Example: when the fire alarm went off, everyone dashed out of the building. Every word is a step forward in your English journey. Keep learning. Until then, goodbye. See you in the next episode.